what is all this hype about this tool, this new technology called Claudebot? I've been seeing it all over Discords, all over X, all over everywhere, YouTube, and I'm like, what is this Claudebot thing? I saw some screenshots. I'm like, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. So I want to go ahead and figure out what exactly is this Cloudbot. So we are going to be jumping into that. We're going to look at the website about it, see what people use it for, and see if we can have any use for it. And if so, then next week's video will be about Cloudbot. And then maybe we'll have next Thursday we try to set it up. I don't know yet. I don't know. But what is Cloudbot? So it looks like they renamed it to Maltbot. It says clears your, so it says the AI that actually does things. Okay, now that's a bit offensive. I think a lot of the AIs will say they do things, but it says clear your inbox, send emails, manage your calendar, check you in for flights, all from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat you already use. What? That seems pretty interesting. It says, so I wish I could get some more. Right, so let's see, quick start. You'd run this command, curl, https mode.bot install. And then what? It says, what does it do? Runs on your machine, Mac, Windows, or Linux, Anthropic, OpenAI, or local models, private by default. Your data stays yours. All right. Any chat, talk to it on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, or iMessage. Works in DMs and group chats. Okay. Persistent memory remembers you and becomes uniquely yours. Your preferences, your context, your AI. Browser control, it can browse the web, fill forms, and extract data from any site. Full system access, read and write files, run shell commands. Okay. Skills and plugins. Extend with community skills or build your own. It can even write its own. Featured in Mac Stories. Let me see. Works with WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, iMessage, Claude, GPT, Spotify, Hue. Is Hue the one for like the Philips lights? Obsidian, Twitter, or X. Why are we saying Twitter and X? Oh, come on. Browser, Gmail, GitHub. Let me see. Discord, documentation, GitHub, Claude Hub, download skill. All right, let me see. Let me take this off. This is bothering me. Hold up. Gee whiz. All right, there we go. Take that off. All right, let me see something. See if there's any YouTube videos on this. Let me see. YouTube. Let me look for
Sat down with the CEO of NVIDIA, Jensen.
Let's go to Claude. See if there's any videos that are short and quick and to the point. I don't think so. Well, guess we're gonna have to figure it out ourselves. Nothing short and sweet, so I will do a deep dive on that for our video next week then. But I don't. No, let's check Gemini. Let's do a Gemini search. I've been seeing a lot about Cloudbot. Can you tell me what its use or purpose would be for? Let's see if we can get an idea of what that's going to be for from Gemini. It might not even know it if it's too new. It might not even know what Cloudbot is if it's too new. Based on current tech trends. Okay, it does. It's is viral open source agentic AI assistant that has recently gained significant attention. Unlike standard chatbots like ChatGPT or standard web versions of Claude that lives in the browser tab and mostly just talk, Cloudbot is designed to perform actions on your computer while you interact with it through texting apps. Here's a breakdown of its primary purpose, the core purpose, agent versus chatbot. The main purpose of Cloudbot is to bridge the gap between an AI thinker and a doer. Standard chatbot, you ask for a recipe, it gives you text. Now, if you could ask for a recipe and it actually cooks the food for you, now we're talking. But we might need a humanoid for that one. All right. It says the main purpose. It's okay. You ask for a recipe. It can save the ingredients to your shopping list file, email it to your partner, or add a calendar reminder to start cooking at 6. Okay, that is pretty cool, I must say. People are using Cloudbot for to build a digital butler that they can text just like a friend. All right, now they're where is Rod Brown? Because they are taking it too far now. Because remember when Rod Brown asked me a while ago, what do I think about falling in love with the large language model? I think you've crossed the line. I think that you have crossed the line. All right. It says people. So we got that messaging interface. It connects to apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, or Discord. You don't open a special app to use it. You just text its number. /contact. Local access. It runs on your own computer like a personal server, Mac Mini. It gives access to your local files, terminal, and application. Proactivity. Unlike most AIs that wait for you to type, Cloudbot can be set up to message you first. Good morning. You have 3 critical emails and a meeting in 15 minutes. Want me to draft replies? Okay. Telling me good morning. So that means you could program your Cloudbot to text you, Grand Rising Queen, Grand Rising King, right? Says purchase the memory. It's designed to remember context over long periods via local files, so you don't have to re-explain your preferences every time. Common use cases: remote server management. Developers use it to check server status or run code updates by texting a command from their phone. Personal automation: organizing files, managing calendars, and sorting emails. Vibe coding: writing and applying code directly to your local projects via chat instructions. Because Cloudbot is often given direct access to your computer files and terminal, it carries higher risk than a web-based chatbot. So exactly. Imagine if it formats your entire computer. Imagine if it formats your entire computer. You know what you're going to hear? Yup. All right. So if the AI is tricked, prompt injection, or the server isn't secured, it could theoretically delete files or expose sensitive data. It is generally recommended for users who are comfortable with technical setup and security configurations. If you ask about Vex Robotics, Claudebot, no D, so that's not what we're asking about. It says, would you like to know more about how to install it? Based on our chat our history, how would Cloudbot be useful for the things that I do on a regular basis? That's what I always like to know. Like, based on my life, my lifestyle, things that I do, how could these tools help me? Yes, I know I'm selfish like that. I am selfish like that, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see what it says. Oof, this stream is egregious, but I am going to clip it up though. I will clip all of this up, but it's annoying. So annoying. Taking a long time. My upload speed is fine. My download, not so much. Oh, it's getting better on the download speed. Somewhat. Somewhat. Let's see. Come on, Gemini. Any day now. What in the world are you talking about? What are you talking? I just opened this as like I'm dissecting tumors interaction. What are you talking about? What in the world? All right, this is weird. All right, let's stop that because I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. I'm happy I opened this up because this is doing some weird stuff over here. Countering endless repetition of did Gemini get hacked? My goodness. That was so weird. Okay. Well, you just told me about it. What are you talking about? Okay, there we go. Yes. I think it's important sometimes to open up the thinking. All right, there we go. So, given your background as a QA engineer, software developer, and tech coach, Cloudbot recently named Moldbot due to trademark issues. Ah, okay, I got you. So they had some trademark issues. Is uniquely, I wonder why they call it Moldbot. Is uniquely suited to your workflows. Unlike standard chatbots, that just talks. We read that part already. Dev and QA automation, your tech workflow. Since you are comfortable with Docker, Python, and AWS, you are an ideal user for this. You can text the bot from Telegram, WhatsApp while you're out to control your dev environment. Remote DevOps, you can check the status of my Docker containers or restart the DigitalOcean droplet for resume flow. It runs the shell command locally and texts you back the output. Agentic AI, you could set up a skill to run your test suite. That'll be pretty cool. You can run the regression test suite for time cost calculator app. Bot executes Python PyTest scripts, captures logs, and messages you. Test path with 2 warnings and auth module. That's pretty interesting. Code refactoring on the fly. While away from your keyboard, you can ask it to refactor a specific file in your VS Code. All right, now let's see this. Content creation, YouTube and OBS. Managed tech coach drive content often involves repetitive file management. Cloudbot can act as a production assistant. OBS plugin dev. Since you develop C++ plugins for OBS, you can ask the bot to run the build. Video workflow. You can create a skill that watches the folder. When you dump a raw footage, the bot can automatically run an FFmpeg script to compress the files or extract audio for your podcast, Patreon. Social and community can be connected to your Discord. You could ask it to summarize the last 50 messages from your tech coach route for your tech coach community server, so you can know what topics to cover in your next live. That's pretty interesting. Training log, instructional organization, travel and logistics, home improvement, project sourcing, tool inventory. As a QA professional, you will spot the risk immediately. Cloudbot has pseudo or near pseudo potential. Okay, I mean, we'll certainly play with it to see what that's all about. But that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I don't seem too crazy about it right now, but I also wasn't crazy about Cloud Code, to be honest. I'm still not too crazy about Cloud Code, but I have been using it at work. Pretty cool, pretty impressive, but I don't know.
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, bad breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. When I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Also feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I can't to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Hold the high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying that my knees buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my failure is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, pull the ace from the car. Keep the haters locked out, standing in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, wipe the crust the eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Mac and I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do it for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planting the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turn to the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method, yeah, I'm swapping and I'm copying. Only thinking these are records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked.